Welcome you all for online learning session of Sacred Heart High School. Subject Geography, Standard 10. Chapter number 1, Field Visit. In this chapter, we are going to study about what is field visit. Field visit is an important study method in geography. Geographical concepts and elements can be directly experienced through field visits. Field visits are extremely useful for understanding the correlation between humans and environment. Now, to clear these concepts, there is a dialogue given in your textbook. Just you all can go through those dialogues later on. Now we will learn the main concepts. The very first concept is while going for a field visit, what preparation we should do. Now before going to the field visit, decide the place and the purpose of visit. The elements which will be observed in field visit should be decided. Study the location map and the route map of the place to be visited. Distance, then transport route, means of transport and duration of field visit should be planned ahead. Now with the help of the teachers, students should prepare a questionnaire. While going for a field visit, proper guidance should be taken from teachers. Here, teachers are guiding students to experience the changes occurring in the relief, soil, vegetation, and human settlements. As they travel from Naldurg to Alibag, which is in Raigad district, selection of the study area is very important factor in field visit for study of various elements like physical landform, river bank, dams, offices or museums related to geographical elements, tourism sites, forest areas, factory and villages. Elements should be selected after studying the local condition and necessary permission letters have to be obtained. Now for a field visit, you should carry a notebook, specimen, questionnaire, pen, pencil, scale, tape, then compass, a bag for collecting samples, maps, camera, etc. Next, what precautions will you take continuously during the field visit? It is very important to ensure safety of ourselves and other during a field visit. You should obey the instructions given by the teachers. During field visit, you should try to understand the local circumstances by conversing with the local people. You should also ensure that you do not harm the environment in any way during your visit. You should always keep a first aid box with you for emergency circumstances. Next, for field trips, safety checklist should be prepared, that is ID tags, behavior or emergency procedures, permission slips, emergency contact, medical information, then contact list, group students, meeting place, first aid box, plan for students not attending, find a place for students and plan for meaningful work. Next, let's see what is report writing, how that report writing is prepared on the basis of the information collected by the teachers and the students from a particular field visit. Now, a field trip or a field report should be written on the basis of information obtained after the visit is complete. Use the following issues to make a report. Add photographs whenever necessary. First point while writing a report writing, that is introduction. Second, location map and route map. Third, physiography. Fourth, climate. Fifth, population. Sixth, environmental problems and measures, land utilization. And the last part, that is the conclusion. Important points to be noted before planning of a field visit. Elements should be selected after studying the local condition and necessary permission letters have to be obtained. Now, what are the importance of field visits? Let's see. A field visit is very helpful for supplementary the theoretical knowledge we read in our books. Second, it aids to interlink the facts with the practical field and teaches its significance. It builds interest of the students to get more about the places and the world around us and increases their awareness. Geographical concepts and elements can be directly experienced through field visit. Here I have shared some pictures of our school teachers and students during different field visits. So students, from this chapter you will get an idea about how geographical tone or the field trip should be, and if you study this chapter well, you will understand that if you go on such a trip, what all should you be seeing or observing around you. So in this chapter they are telling you how to get the information from the region you travel. So if you are going on a field trip, you must look around for this information and collect as much information as you can about that region. So your first chapter tells you about this, and so I hope you take up such an experiment and go on a field trip, gather such information and write a very good report. Thank you.